So, hi everyone. In this video, we're going to tackle an example of iterated integration. In particular, this example here. And we're going to solve this example in Mathematica. So, we'll show the code for that after. So, with iterated integration, again, we have more than one choice variable here. In this case, we have both x and y. So, we have to integrate with one variable first, then we integrate with the other. What we know is that this is a definite integral, so we should, in theory, get a whole number, an integer, and well, frankly, a real number. So let's go with the solution for now. So sorry, not derive, rather, we'll integrate first, okay? Integrate, integrate with respect, integrate with respect to x first. Okay, and to do that, that's just so what we can do is note this is our function here. 6 is a constant, so we can take it out. So we can write it as 6 integral 2 4 integral 1 2 xy squared dy dx. Okay. Then I want to integrate with respect to x first, so I go 6, okay. Integral of the function with respect to x, so that's just, that's gonna be, so I'll retain the integral for y here, that's just gonna be x squared, y squared all over 2. Okay, so again, notice I just manipulated or I just integrated x, so I left y as is, which will evaluate from 2 to 4 dy. Okay, so that's gonna be 6 integral 1 2. Then if I plug in 4 and then 2, so I get 4 squared is 16, so that's 16y squared all over 2 minus 2 squared, that's 4, so that's 4y squared all over 2. Okay, dy. Simplifying it, I get 6 integral 1 2. Okay, this will be 8, then this will be 2. So 8y squared minus 2y squared, that's just going to be 6y squared dy. And what we're left here, so notice we're left with a function that's all expressed into y, and we only have one variable to integrate with, and that's y. So let's integrate now with respect to y. So integrate with respect to y. So we get, we're gonna be having 6, okay, 6. We can factor out 6, but since the solution is so simple, we can just plug it in. So the integral of y squared, that's just y cubed. So that's 6y cubed all over 3, okay, which we're gonna evaluate from 1 to 2. Okay, then simplifying this, we're gonna get 6 times, if we I plug in 2, so that's 6 times 2 cubed, that's 8 all over 3, minus 1 cubed, that's just 1, so 6 all over 3. Then we simplify everything, so this can cancel out, this can be 2, then this can be 2, so that's gonna be 16 minus 2. Okay, so just to be clear, let's just put the equal sign. Then 6, okay, times 14. In this case, this is equal to 84. So the solution, okay, to this integral is 84. And in Mathematica, okay, we can come up with this in this simple command. So what we do is we use the integrate command first. Okay, then we specify our function. So this is our function. Then we tell it, okay, to integrate with respect to x, so with respect to which variable, then this first number here, 2, that's your lower limit for x. Then this second number, that's your upper limit for y. Okay, then again, this is with respect to y now. So the second brace here, that's you're telling Mathematica to integrate with respect to y, the lower limit of y being 1, and the upper limit being 2. Now, if you only needed to integrate with respect to one variable, so say it's not iterated integration, then this second one here, the second one would just disappear, and you just have an integration command with the function and the variable in question. So that's an example of iterated integration.